Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The mic is back. Today we're gonna take a look at the Soundbar. It's the next soundbar. I ordered like a 5-6 different soundbars. We're gonna compare the very expensive, the cheap versus like brand name, all that stuff, like Polk Audio, Sony's, the Bose. I have a bunch of Bose here. So we're gonna connect this, unbox it, take a look inside, audio test them, and I'm gonna give you my conclusion which soundbar sounds better for the price, right? LARKSOUND. This is one of the affordable soundbar. I ordered because it was a review, it was a good on this soundbar. The people say, oh, this sound is good. So what we have here? Instruction manuals, HDMI cables. Reason why the soundbar has the HDMI cables, you can arc audio from the TV to the soundbar. So it's gonna be totally controlled from your TV remote control, right? It's gonna be very, very nice. And the soundbar itself, the screws, just the auxiliary input and the fiber optic cable. Very, very slim, very easy to power the wire management, right? I just did the Bose Solo 2 is a upgraded Solo 2 version, and I'm impressed how the sound quality. So the soundbar itself, as you can see, a very nice glassy top. You have some buttons on top, and on the back you have a wall mount, and you have a optic input, USB for, I think it's gonna read the USB because on the remote control it says a USB on it. Auxiliary input and the HDMI, again the HDMI cables for the ARC input, right? So on the front, LARKSOUND, 2 breather holes for the bass, and the 2 on the very side you have a full range speakers. So there is no tweeters, it's gonna be just the 2 speakers because the soundbar is wider. On the Bose Solo 2 it was a small. The soundbar, you didn't see any stereo separation because the speakers are very, very on the middle. Actually, that video I have to add to that video because I didn't say on that video. On this one, you can hear the stereo separation. Also, 3D audio. On the front, you have a digital screen. So I'm gonna connect to the power and let's listen the music. Here we have listening to music, right? Right, so I connect the soundbar. As you can see, the remote control here. This is remote control, a lot nicer than Bose sound for the half price. And as you can see, 3D audio, 3 different equalizers. You can adjust the bass for the 8 different modes, volume up and down, play, pause, all the functionalities here. So you can use like a Bluetooth speaker, this soundbar. Also, when you connect it through the fiber optic or HDMI cable, you can control this audio outputs through your TV remote control, right? I'm gonna play some music. I'm gonna start playing every single music on the maximum volume. All right, that's what I do. So we're gonna see the distortions, all that stuff. Hell yeah. I just tested Bose Solo, the small one, and comparing with this guy, it's way nicer bass, a lot deeper. The reason why the stereo separation is like a huge, and that when you switch to the 3D audio, the speakers is a lot farther from each other, so you can hear actually stereo separation when the music is playing, like big time. And also the bass is like downforce and a lot nicer, smoother bass, and a lot deeper bass than the Bose audio. But I have a The killer of this, I have ordered like a 500 something, almost $600. The Bose 50% value. Smart soundbar. Next video, it's gonna be the Bose. It has to be destroyed. This speaker, right? It has to be destroyed. But we're gonna see it how it's gonna be compared to these two different ones. All right, vocal music, the maximum volume.
Cansé de tus excusas, dime si existe alguien más. O solo es una historia más. Diría lo mismo si digo que te amo. Sinceramente voy a decir, por tu parte al menos una vez. Diría lo mismo si digo que te amo. Solo archivo tus historias para no verte nada, aunque quiero ser sincero. I'm hearing the beat now, it's pulling me in. Meet me at midnight, oh yeah, oh yeah. If you're ready to get down, bring your friends. Meet me at midnight, oh yeah, oh yeah. Down on your knees, you're begging, please, you want it. My love's like fire, it'll leave you burning. Down on your knees, you're begging, please, you want it. My love's so sweet, sweeter. If you think that you got it, put me in. Never forget this, oh yeah, oh yeah. Love you already, so don't be afraid. Don't even say you hate again. Down on your knees, you're begging, please, you want it. My love's like fire, it'll leave you burning. Down on your knees, you're begging, please, you want it. My love's so sweet, sweeter. Think that you got it. Hands up, put your money where your mouth is. Think that you got it.
All right, as you can see, guys, LARKSOUND soundbar performance is amazing for the price you guys paying, right? It's like half of the price for the brand, like the advertising-driven speakers, and it's a more functionality. It sounds better, clarity, right? Stereo separation is. As you can see, you have a subwoofers. I'll show you on the middle. It's the down 4 thing, so it's playing really, really good. The problem is only, I noticed these buttons on the top, right? It gets rattly when you maximum playing the music and come closer. You hear this, or when you're staying out, you're not gonna hear the sound, the rattling noise, because the speakers is like out loud them. And the second thing I don't like about the sound bar, when you keep just changing, equalizer, it's the shuts off the audio and then start playing, right? Shuts off the audios every time you change the equalizer. To be honest, the guys, for the price we're paying right now for these guys, maybe they're gonna start to sell it a lot higher, because the sound output, like it's a sound, the quality, the built-in fit and finish is nothing less than any Sony or the Polk audios, right? It's everything except least the buttons a little bit else, except that. And for the price you guys paying, the sound outputs, I mean, it's like the 5-star, I think. And if they not jacking the price a lot, this is really good deal for now. I'm out, guys. I'll see you in the next video.